excited for these 5 tips that I'm going to be sharing with you, and we're going to be dealing with color on Canva. So it is 5 tips, but if you stick with me until the end of the video, I do have a bonus tip. So tip number 1, say for example you wanted to change the background of your canvas, you would click and highlight the canvas itself and click on background color or color, and then you're going to either search for color. We wanted to change it to a purple background. Then you're going to type the name purple, and Canva will give you all related to that name purples, and then you just click and you change the color to whichever one that you would like. So the other way that you could search for color on Canva is if you use a hex code, the one that starts with hashtag. So you could just paste the hex code over there, and then Canva will give you the different options that are closest to that hex code, to the color that you would like. And then you could say, for example, we wanted to change the text to the hex code, then we would highlight the text and then click where it says text color, and then paste the hex code over there, and then Canva would give us the option closest to that code, and then you could change the color to whatever one suits your design. That's tip number 1. Let's look at tip number 2. So tip number 2 is adding another palette to, I don't know how you pronounce this, palette or palette, I'm not English. Anyway, if you wanted to add another palette to your color options that you have, Canva would give the default options, and then if you have Canva Pro, you can have your own brand kit colors. But if you're designing for different kinds of clients and they have different colors that they have for their brand and they are your clients and you're designing for them, then you could use this functionality. It works so well. And if you want to play around and test it, you can go to my link below and test it for 30 days, because this is a Canva Pro option and it's only available for Canva Pro. So once you click on add another color palette, then you're going to scroll down and you click where it says add and discover palettes, and then you can either customize a palette or you can pick any palette that's available, and you can add and tweak it as you like. So if you had a customer that has different colors that they're using, then you could change the name to say customer Z. Say you're designing for me, customer Z. Then you would click on add, and then you could start tweaking it and adding the different colors using a hex code for that customer that you're designing for, because then it makes your job much easier when you are designing for that particular customer and you have the color palette that they use. You're going to find that palette that you've added underneath your brand kits, and then it would make your life so much easier when you're designing your design. Tip number 3 is all about styles. So on your menu, you're going to click on styles. Say for example you have a design and you would like to change the color of the design with the styles that have been preset for you by Canva. They are either trending, so you just click where it says the name of the color that is showing over there, and your design would change based on that color that you are choosing and you're selecting. So that's another way of using color on your design, and it makes it so much easy for you when you're designing using styles. If you're getting value from this video, please smash the like button. When you do that, I appreciate it so much. Then YouTube shares the video with more people that I can add value to, and the channel grows, and I appreciate it very much. Tip number 4 is about the graphics that you can change color of and the images that you could change color of on Canva. So the first one would be a graphic that we would have added. So under elements, when you search for a graphic, say you're looking for yoga person that is exercising and you find the graphic that you would like I did, then you just click and you add it to your canvas, and then you can click on the actual graphic when you see the graphic showing you different colors, that shows that graphic you can tweak and change color. So you just click on color and you make whatever choices you would like to change the color to based on the design that you're dealing with. And that is how you change color on graphics. Next, if you have a picture and when you click and you highlight the picture, Canva doesn't give you the option to change colors there. That means that picture is an image. If you wanted to change the color of your image, you would click where it says edit image. Then you're going to scroll down and find an app that is linked to Canva, and it's called Duotone. You click on Duotone and then you install it so that it is part of your apps that you can use on Canva. Then you can start changing the image to whatever color you want it to be. So there's different kinds that are available. Say we want to go with this amber. And once you click and it says change the image itself, you can click on the settings and then it would show the highlights and the shadows. If you click on highlights, you can change the image to whatever you want. And that's how you change color on an image. Tip number 5 is all about gradients. I've found gradients such a pleasure to work with, and they make designs so beautiful. So if you are, say for example, you have this blank page and you wanted to add a gradient color, you just search for gradient, you spell it correctly, not like me, and Canva would give you all sorts of gradients available. Then you can click once and they are just gorgeous. Gradients are just amazing and gorgeous, and you can use them in all sorts of different ways to make your designs funky and fun, and you can add and click and make all sorts of beautiful designs using gradients. I'm enjoying gradients, and because we're talking about color today, I wanted to share that with you and make sure that you are using gradients as part of your designs when you're designing on Canva. And I promise, as a bonus tip, I found this amazing article done by Canva that is the biggest color trends in 2021. So I'm going to share this link below with you. Then you can have a look at the different beautiful trending colors that you could be using for your designs, and they also have that hex code that you could use for your designs. I want you to jump in on the next video that would show you how to use a gradient behind on a photo, and I'll see you next time.